What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing some drag brakes. The kit that I went with was the Strange Engineering brake kit. So the first thing we're going to do is start taking off all the OEM stuff so we can get started. Go ahead and let that hang because we're not going to be using those brake holders anymore. Take off the holder. Now we're going to get this hubcap off. So go ahead and use the flathead and hammer. Just hammer that off. I'm not going to be using that. Go ahead and get your 36mm impact and let it take the action off. Now you're going to take it out the hub. The hub should just fall right out. Just like that. The factory hub is up. Now you're going to go ahead and get your 10mm and take off your splash shield. And also you're going to take off your wheel speed sensor. So that's another 10mm. We'll go ahead and disconnect that later. Now we're going to go ahead and clean this spindle off. I like to spray a little bit of PD Drost on it. It slides on easier. So go ahead and put your caliper bracket on there. Make sure that is flush. Now you're going to get your countersunk bolt and your nut. And you're going to go ahead and torque that down. Alright, let's torque the 50 foot-pounds. So I went ahead and already put the studs in. Now we're just gonna go ahead and torque them down to 65 foot-pounds. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put them in the vise so it's steady. And then we're gonna torque it down. Now you're gonna go ahead and stud your new axle nut on. What I'm gonna do is just run it on with a gun for a little bit and then torque it down to 200 foot-pounds. Now that we got that tightened up, we're gonna go ahead and get our 1/2-inch torque wrench, and we're gonna torque it 200 foot-pounds. Now that we have our accidental, we're gonna go ahead and spray a little PB on that, on the O-ring. All good. Now we're going to go ahead and put on our rotor. And these rotors are directional, so make sure you're paying attention to the arrows. This one is good too, so we don't need to add any shifts to it. And we're gonna go ahead and put our brake line on. Or hose rather. So now that we have our caliper mounted and we don't need to add any shims, we're gonna go ahead and put your fitting for your brake hose. We're gonna disconnect the brake hose over here. Go ahead and start your new brake hose. Now that we have everything installed, we're gonna go ahead and brake clean all of this, get it cleaned up. Brake lines are on. Go ahead and show you guys the other side. Same thing, brakes are on, brake lines are good and tight, ain't going nowhere. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a complete brake flush just because I need the service done. But if not, you're gonna go ahead and bleed your 2 brakes. So you're gonna start from the passenger side and then go over to the driver's side. So now that you sucked out all of the dirty fluid, you're gonna find the cap that fits your vehicle. So we're gonna try this green one here. All right, make sure it's snug. You don't want this coming off. So, you want the pressure to be between 30 to 50 psi. And if there's any leaks in the line, I'll see it.